Hello viewers, this is Achal and today we are going to discuss the ongoing controversy on Tandav web series. So, this is the another controversial web series after Patal Lok and Asur. Sometimes it feels like this is their new strategy of getting fame. The more controversial a web series would be, the more people would like to see. Wherein media trying their best to add spices to it. How? Well, obviously, by setting up debate shows and letting people fight over illogical things, which could easily continue for infinite days and which has actually nothing to do with reality. Meanwhile, getting public involved, creating hype. Ali Abbas Zafar's web show Tandav, which has been released on 15th of January 2021 and which is now streaming on Amazon Prime, is confronting a major political and communal outrage since its release. The web show had an ensemble star cast including Saif Ali Khan, Dimple Kapadia, Sunil Grover, Jishan Ayub, Gohar Khan, Kritika Kamra, amongst others. It was said that the web show has allegedly damaged the sentiments of a certain community group over a scene from the first episode where, in a college stage show, Lord Shiva's character was enacted and shown using abusive words while talking to his fellow Narad. Also, Hindu mythological god Lord Rama was mocked.
ये राम जी के फॉलोअर दिन भर दिन सोशल मीडिया पे बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है हमें भी कोई नई सोशल मीडिया स्ट्रैटेजी बना लेनी चाहिए।
क्या करूं? नई फोटो लगाऊं?
हाँ, कैंपस के सारे विद्यार्थी देशद्रोही हो गए। आजादी आजादी के नारे लगा रहे हैं।
आजादी?
As a result, FIR was registered against Amazon India, original content head Aparna Purohit, creator Ali, producer Himanshu Krishna Mehra, writer Gaurav Solanki and others at Hazratganj Police Station of Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. Also, changes to the series were demanded, followed by removal of that offensive scene. Further explanations were sought by INB Ministry regarding the same after BJP's MP Manoj Kotak wrote to Information and Broadcasting Ministry seeking ban on the ongoing Tandav web series. Apparently, Director Ali Abbas posted an apology on social media on behalf of all his teammates, saying they had no intention of hurting people's sentiment and that even they have noticed people's reaction over the series. There are many people out there demanding a total ban on the series, and to a certain extent it is justifiable too. According to some, dragging Hindu deities and disguising them into a kind of uncivilized person who uses abusive language normally to talk or express anger, it's a big insult to the god and for the devotees who not only worship but consider them like an inspiration to life. They are the common people who every day learns values and compare themselves with them to be a good human being. Also, other claims says there doesn't seem to be any compulsion of adding that scene and had a clear motive of offending Hindu community. Some considers as this series is political in nature, the political parties are creating an unnecessary hype about it. According to them, there is nothing offensive in that scene, and if some people are not liking it, they should probably won't spend money to see. Yes, nobody is forcing anyone to see it. But in case you have forgotten, let me remind you for once that India is a secular country and you are bound to respect every group's sentiment, whether it be Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, everyone. I'm not saying Tandav should be banned, as there are efforts of several people behind it who gave away everything to accomplish this. So that part should be edited by removing that scene, ensuring it won't happen again.